me since, and I have not done a video in a while. First things first, you see this. I was in a car accident. I was in a car accident. Thank you. And so I have to get me a new car because my car was totaled. Oh, and this morning I did have a retie done. It's 5 months. I haven't done a video on my hair at all this month. Like, this has been a super lazy month, just period for videos. There's been a lot going on. So it will be 6 months on, my car is up there. It'll be 6 months on April 1st. So anyway, we're gonna go test out this car and I'll be right back. Today, it is April 2nd and I am 6 months and 1 day into my Sisterlock. I'm going to a hockey game today. We're gonna go see the Dallas Stars. They're playing the Philadelphia Flyers, Eagles, whoever they are, the hockey team. So we're gonna go, and once I get to the stadium, I'm gonna show y'all what it's like in there, because this is my first time going to a hockey game, so I don't know how it's gonna be. So I will touch back when I get in American Airlines. I'm here in the game, and it is really exciting in this hockey game.
That's the swing we were looking for. Don't bounce back, don't bounce back. Yeah!
What's up, y'all? I am... You already back? It was too long. I guess it's halftime, because it's another like 15 minutes before the final third period, and that's 20 minutes long. So hockey has 3 periods, 20 minutes long. We got here late, so I don't know how long the previous break was, but I like hockey. It's cool in person. I could definitely come here again and, you know, just enjoy myself, have me some beer. The line was too long for beer, so I didn't get any beer. So I'm gonna get some pizza real quick. It's hot. All right, y'all, I'm getting ready to leave this hockey game, and this is a really good game. They are actually winning right now too. You can't see it, but the score right now is 6-4. Dallas is up, so kudos to Dallas. But we're about to head out and go to Fuel City to get me some tacos and some corn and end this festivities in the city. And I'll see you when we get to Fuel City. All right.
My senses, when I'm blessed with your presence, stimulate my mental and my physical as you speak pleasure into my existence.